Hey, HSEstudy family. Picture this. You're a maintenance worker, elbow deep in a machine repair when, zap, an electrical surge hits. Your heart stops, not just from the shock, but from the fear of what could have been. I've seen that fear in workers' eyes, and it's why I'm so passionate about today's topic. Welcome to Lockout, Tagout, protecting workers from electrical hazards. Your guide to a life-saving safety procedure that keeps you safe around dangerous equipment. I'm your safety buddy, here to break down the lockout tagout process, share real stories, and show you how to make safety first. Workers, supervisors, safety officers, this is for you. Let's keep every heartbeat strong in 2025. You know what gets me every time? The stakes. In 2023, electrical accidents injured 1,750 workers and killed 139 per the Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's 139 families left grieving. Sons, sisters, best friends. And the cost? Businesses shelled out billions for injuries, plus 16,131 OSHA fines per violation in 2025. But here's the hope. Lockout, Tagout, or LOTO stops these tragedies cold. In 2024, a Chicago factory worker walked away unharmed because LOTO shut down a faulty circuit. That's the power we're unlocking today. Ready to dive in? Let's start with what lockout tagout is. LOTO is a safety procedure that cuts off all energy to equipment, electricity, hydraulics, pneumatics, during maintenance or repairs. It's like hitting the ultimate off switch to keep workers safe from accidental startups. Without it, a machine could jolt to life, causing shocks, burns, or worse. OSHA's standard 29 CFR 1910.147 makes LOTO mandatory in the U.S., and for good reason. It saves lives. A 2024 Texas plant avoided a $50,000 disaster by locking out a hydraulic press. LOTO isn't just a rule, it's your shield, and I'm here to show you how it works. Here's the lockout tagout process, step by step. First, identify all energy sources. Check the machine's manual or blueprints. Electricity's the big one, but don't miss hydraulic lines or compressed air. Next, notify everyone nearby. Hey, we're locking out. Shut down the equipment using its controls, then isolate those energy sources. Flip breakers, close valves. Now, lock it out. Slap a sturdy padlock on each isolation point. Add a tag with your name, date, and reason, like maintenance don't touch. Release any stored energy, think trapped pressure or capacitors. Finally, double check. Is it really off? Test it. In 2024, a Florida factory's LOTO checklist stopped a live wire incident. Follow these steps and you're in control. Grab OSHA's free LOTO guide at osha.gov. It's a game changer. Now let's talk tags because they're more than just labels. LOTO tags are your warning sign, screaming, "Don't turn this on." You'll see red danger tags for serious risks or yellow warning tags for less urgent ones. Each tag needs your name, the date, and why the lockout's happening. Clear and legible, no smudges. Only the person who placed the tag can remove it, and only after checking the equipment's safe. In 2024, a Georgia worker's clear tag stopped a coworker from flipping a breaker, saving a life. Mess up tagging and you're rolling the dice. OSHA's 29 CFR 1910.147 has the rules. Stick to them and you're golden. Real stories drive this home. In 2023, a New York factory skipped LOTO and a worker got a 10,000-volt shock, hospitalized for months, $200,000 in costs. Heartbreaking, but then there's the wins. A 2024 Ohio plant locked out a conveyor during repairs, preventing a crush injury and $30,000 in fines. Another case, a California crew's LOTO training stopped a hydraulic leak explosion, saving 3 workers. A 2024 ex-post from Safety Pro USA cheered a worker's quick LOTO that avoided a $15,000 OSHA penalty. These aren't just stories, they're proof LOTO works. And the cost of skipping it? Beyond fines, it's lost trust, lost lives. You've got the power to prevent that. Keeping your workplace safe means making LOTO a habit. Training is key. Every worker needs to know the process, not just supervisors. Run 15-minute LOTO refreshers quarterly, using real equipment for practice. Make it fun. Time the lockout or reward perfect tags. A 2024 Colorado factory's monthly drills cut near misses by 25%. Foster a safety culture where everyone feels responsible. If you see a missing lock, speak up. It's not snitching, it's saving. Check out OSHA.gov for free training resources or HSEstudy.in for LOTO checklists. In 2024, a Michigan team's No Shortcuts vibe stopped a $40,000 electrical fire. That's the culture we're building, together. Let's wrap this up with a promise. Lockout, Tagout isn't just a procedure, it's a lifeline. You're not just locking a machine, you're locking in safety for your crew, your family, yourself. I'm so proud of you for caring. It's personal for me, knowing you're out there making a difference. Your challenge, this week, check one piece of equipment in your workplace. Is it LOTO ready? Locks and tags stocked? Share your win at HSEstudy.in, where you'll find free safety guides. Pass this video to your team. Let's spark a safety revolution. Subscribe, hit the bell, and join us weekly for more life-saving tips. You're the heartbeat of safety, America. Keep it strong, keep it safe.